Today, we will learn about elements of a story. The elements of a story are the important parts that make a story interesting and complete. Every good story has these parts. 1. Title. The title is the name of the story. It tells us what the story might be about. Example: The Lost Treasure. A good title makes readers curious and interested. 2. Characters. Characters are the people or animals in the story. There are two main types: protagonist, the main character or hero of the story; antagonist, the character who creates problems or opposes the hero. Example: in many stories, the hero fights against a villain. 3. Setting. The setting tells us where and when the story happens. It includes place, where the story happens, forest, school, city; time, when the story happens, day, night, past, future. Example: a forest at night. 4. Plot. The plot is the main events of the story. It shows what happens from the beginning to the end. The plot usually has 5 parts: beginning, problem, middle, climax, ending. 5. Problem. The problem is the trouble or challenge in the story. It is something the main character must solve. Example: the hero loses the treasure map. 6. Solution. The solution is how the problem is solved. Example: the hero finds the map again and continues the journey. 7. Beginning. The beginning is the start of the story. It introduces characters. Setting. Example: opening, once upon a time. 8. Middle. The middle is where most of the action happens. Here we see exciting events, challenges, the problem getting bigger. 9. Climax. The climax is the most exciting and important part of the story. It is the turning point where the main character faces the biggest challenge. 10. Ending. The ending is the conclusion of the story. Here, the problem is solved. The story finishes. Example: they finally found the treasure. 11. Moral of the story. The moral is the lesson we learn from the story. Example: honesty is the best policy. Stories often teach us good values and behavior. 12. Theme. The theme is the main idea of the story. Examples of themes: friendship, kindness, courage, honesty. Conclusion. All good stories have important elements like title, characters, setting, plot, problem, and solution. When these elements are used together, they make the story interesting, meaningful, and enjoyable.